In this video I will show you how to create reflective 3D text using Photoshop's 3D feature. First, create a black text color. Next, go to 3D, and choose New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. In the Properties panel, go to Shape Preset, and choose Inflate. Next, in the 3D panel, select Infinite Light 1 to set your shadow. In this case, since my light is from behind, I will place the shadow in front. Now select your main background and copy the object by using Ctrl-A to select all. Then Ctrl-C to copy. Next, go back to your 3D layer. And in the 3D panel, choose Environment. Then in the Properties panel, choose the Mapping option and choose New Texture. In the document type, choose Clipboard. And then select OK. Now go back to the Properties panel and choose the Mapping option again. This time, select Edit Texture. And paste your background image by using Ctrl-V. Save it and close it. Now select all the 3D settings. Then in the Properties panel, adjust the sliders until you get the desired result. That's it. A simple way to create reflective 3D text using Photoshop's 3D feature. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.